Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 98 and onwards of Surah An-Nisa. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إلا المستضعفين من الرجال والنساء. Hamza is very sharp. There's no flow of sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Il, and then this lam is attached with lam. It is not anymore long. Lal, give tawassut on this lam too. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Mus, for dhamma, circle your lips attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and safir, and it will be light. So, and as you will touch sin, your lips should be in a straight position. You will change the position from dhamma to sakun. Mustal. Ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws. At dot, dot will get sipa of rakhawa and istitala, and it will be heavy. Tel. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Fi, give hums on fa for, first, and then make it 2 counts long. Na, short. Ni for kasra, give e sound. Nari for fatha open jaws attach it raw. Raw will get sifa of the tawassut first. Nar, and then ri for kasra, give e sound, and raw will be light here. Ja, 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give e sound, the sound is short. One for wow, circle your lips for fatha open jaws attach it noon, will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. One, and kasra is very short. Ni, sa, 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. E for kasra, give e sound. Well, makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha open jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. That tawassut is medium flow sound. Well, will for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. The tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Dal is very sharp, no flow of sound. Make it 2 counts long. Ni for kasra, give e sound. La, 2 counts long. Yes. Keep ya very soft for fatha open jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and safir, and it will be light. Yes. Ta, very sharp, no flow of sound for fatha open jaws. Plita is heavy for kasra, give e sound attached with me and make it 2 counts long. Ru, I'm from your throat. Middle part of the throat should be squeezed, so so the ain should be very, very beautiful to pronounce. And for dhamma, make 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Na, short. He, make it 2 counts long. Give hums in half first, and then complete it with kasra, and kasra is 2 counts long. He, la, short. Down, ta is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached. Wow, wow will get and this is idgham, and idgham is with gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Down, wa, for wow, circle your lips. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. La, 2 counts long. Yeah, keep ya very soft for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Yeah, ta, very sharp for fatha open jaws. Do, circle your lips. Na, short. Sa, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B, 2 counts long. La, mad awad is making it 2 counts long. إلا المستضعفين من الرجال والنساء والولدان لا يستطيعون حيلة ولا يهتدون sabila. F, give hams on fa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short with fatha. U, Hamza is very sharp, and it is short here because you can see zero on wow. This zero means we are not pronouncing wow at all. So this Hamza will be very short. La. 4 counts long. Mat muttasil ja is E for kasra. Give E sound. Ka short. Ain from your throat. Middle part of your throat should be squeezed to pronounce this. Ain for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. So keep seen light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see fatha before it. So by default it is heavy, long. Lo hu for the circular lips. I idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is akmal gunna. I yeah. Keep ya very soft for the open jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat very nicely. Yeah, fu for the ma circular lips, and before the ma give hums on fa. Fu wa for wow circular lips. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips, for fatha open your jaws. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. No, this is idhar. So idhar, for idhar, give tawassut. The sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar. And hum for the circular lips attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut. Wa makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Kaf is light. Make it 2 counts long. Now keep noon light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. Now we'll make it 2 counts long because by default Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. Who for the circular lips. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Fu fa give hams on fa for the circular lips, and as you will attach wow, you'll join wow. Your lips should be in straight position, and no, wow, no, we cannot make it straight because for Dhamma, you're circling the lips, and after that, wow is from the makhraj of wow is circling your lips. So you are not making it straight, but after Dhamma, you will pronounce wow straight. No, no, no. So you are keeping your lips circled until you reach wow, and you are giving number here. Whenever wow and ya are with the tashdid, you are giving number, and number is a jump off sound. When you are attaching fa with wow, here you are applying number. Foo. One, the ruling is har, but suffice the wasut. Here, one, ghain is heavy for fatha open jaws. Fu, give hams on fa. For dhamma, circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Fu, ra, mad making it 2 counts long. فأولئك عسى الله أن يعفو عنهم وكان الله غفور وكان الله عفوا غفورا وكان الله عفوا غفورا. For wow circular lips, fatha open jaws. May idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is akmal gunna. Wa may you for dhamma circular lips, keep ya very soft. Ha 2 counts long. Yir for kasra, give e sound attached with ra. Ra will be light because you can find kasra before it. Jir fi give hams on fa, and after giving that make it 2 counts long with kasra. Fi sa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Be 2 counts long. Lillahi, keep kasra very light here and attach it lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light because you can find kasra before it. Lillah, by default Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. He for kasra give e sound. Here you're lifting your tongue, middle part of your tongue up towards your palate, but you're not touching it. That is making ya very soft sound. Yeah. Jid. For kasra, give E sound attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Feel fa is not anymore long, but for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is medium for low of sound. Feel out. Hamza is very sharp for fatah upon jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra will be heavy too because you can find fatha before it. Aw. Li for kasra give E sound, make dot heavy, and for kasra give E sound. Mu for the circle lips very nicely. Ra 2 counts long, make it heavy because whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. Ghain is heavy, fatha panjas, the sound is short. Man, man. Sorry, this is with ikhfa, and this ikhfa is the calf one. So um listen how we do it. Manka. Ka is very for fatha open your jaws, and kaf has no hums. Ka 2 counts long. Around idgham with gunna, keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa for wow, the makhraj of wow is circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Sa for fatha open your jaws. Ah, ain from your throat, squeeze your throat well from your from middle of the middle part of your throat should be squeezed to pronounce this ain, and this ta will be changed into ha whenever we stop at it. Ah, and this ha will get rakhawa. Wasa'a. Wa circling wow, the makhraj of wow is circling your lips, pata open jaws. May idgham with gunna, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. May yeah. Keep ya very soft for pata open jaws attached with kha. Kha will get sifa for kha, and kha is heavy. Yeah. Ruj for make raw heavy, and jim will get qalqala. Ruj. Meme, keep kasra very light, and this is iqlab. You're changing the sound of noon into meme. Meme, bye. This will be soft, this will be long because this is yailin. Bye. T. Very sharp sound, no flow of sound here. For kasra, give E sound, the sound is short. He 2 counts long from your throat. Mu for the circle lips. Ha 2 counts long. G for kasra, give E sound. Run. Ruling is with her, but sifa is tawassut, and make raw heavy because raw is with fatha. G run. E for kasra, give E sound. Low. Keep this lam light, but lafz jalala will be heavy. Low. Why lafz jalala is heavy? Because you can find fatha before it. And by default, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. Lohi. Focus give E sound from your throat. It has should be from your throat. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Ora. Ora is heavy because whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. Su for the circle your lips. Make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. He 2 counts long. Thum for the circle your lips. Attach with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. And give gunna, and this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Thum, but fatha is very short. Ma, yud, keep ya very soft for the circle your lips. Attach with dal, dal will get sifa qalqala. Yud, ri for kasra, give E sound and then give hums on kaf. Rik, rik. Hul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mau. Make it soft, make it 2 counts long because this is wow lean. 2 for the circle lip. Fa. Give hams before fatha, but with fatha the sound is very short. Odd of is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with dal. That will get sifa of qalqala. Wa. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Qain. Qaf is from your of is heavy for the open jaws. The sound is very short. Ain from your throat, middle part of the throat should be nicely engaged. For ain for patha open jaws, the sound is short. Aj hamza is very sharp. For patha open jaws attached with jim, jim will get sifa of qalqala. Oru, ora is heavy for the circle lips. Who for the circulars, make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat, fatha open jaw. Law, this lam will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you can find fatha before it. Law, that will be 4 counts long because you are giving temporary sukun. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is called mid aridless sukun. Wow, makhraj of wow is circling lips, fatha open jaws. Ka 2 counts long. Now keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Now who for the circular lips. Uh, um, uh, Pronounce this half from your last part of your throat. Going from your throat. Ghain is heavy for fatha open your jaws. Fu, give hums before fa, and when you will touch dhamma, your lips should be in a circle position. Make it 2 counts long. Fu, raw. This is idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose for at all. Raw, it will get the wasut first. The second raw will get the wasut first. Raw, and then fatha will be very short. Raw, he 2 counts long. Ha with hams. He ma. This is 2 counts long because mad awat is making it 2 counts long. وَمَن يُهَاجِرْ, give the wasat here. جِرْ في سبيل الله يجد في الأرض مراغما كثيرا وسعة ومن يخرج من بيته مهاجرا إلى الله ورسوله ثم يدركه الموت فقد وقع أجره على الله فقد وقع أجره على الله وكان الله غفورا رحيما. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips, fatha open jaws. E for kasra, give E sound. The 2 counts long. God is heavy for fatha open jaws. Rabi, ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. Attached ba. Ba will be light. Making ra heavy, we might making ba heavy. That's why I'm precisely saying it. Ba is light. Rabi, and ba will get qalqala. Tum for the circle ellipse attached me, we will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Feel for kasra, give e sound. This is not any more long because this is attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Feel hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra will be heavy. We for kasra, give e sound. Fa, give hams on fa before fatha, but with fatha the sound is very short. Lay. This is yailin. Make it soft. Make it 2 counts long. Lay. Sa. For fatha open jaws. Ain from your throat. Middle part of the throat should be engaged well. For ain, for fatha open jaws, the sound is very short. Lay. Yailin. Make it soft. Make it 2 counts long. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut. Ju for the circle ellipse, the sound is very short. Na 2 counts long. Hun ruling is hard, but sifa is tawassut. Hun hamza is very sharp. Keep the sharpness of hamza there, even though there is ikhfa coming up. And this ikhfa is light. So keep the sound, your tongue straight to pronounce this ikhfa. Taqo. Ta is very sharp. For qaf, give qalqala, make qaf heavy. For dhamma, circle lips, make sad heavy. Ra is heavy and make it 2 counts long. And for dhamma, circle lips. Mi, for kasra, give e sound. Nas, keep noons light, but sad will be heavy. Sad will get rakhawa. Sad has zafir, and Sad will be heavy, and Sad has Safir, and Sad has Raqawa. Nas, the sound should flow, but with Fatha, the sound will be very short. La, this is light and make it 2 counts long. Ti, for Kasra, give E sound. In, keep sharpness of Hamza there, and the Sifa is Tawassut and ruling it with Har. In, Khif,Qa heavy for kasra, give E sound attached. Fa will get sifa of hams and rakhawa. Khif for the circle ellipse attached. Mim will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with har. Ay idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ay keep ya very soft. For fatha open jaws attached. Fa will get hams and rakhawa. Ti for ta is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound. The sound very short. Na, short. Ku for dhamma, circle ellipse. Mul for dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam. As you will touch mim, lam, your lips should be in a straight position, and lam will get tawassut. Mul, but fatha will be very short. La, the 2 counts long. Na, short. Ka, very soft, and for fatha open jaws. Fa, give hams before fatha, but with fatha the sound is short. Fa, oru, ra is heavy, make ra heavy and make it 2 counts long. And for the circle ellipse. In, hamza is very sharp, attach it noon will get sifa of gunna, and gunna is keeping the sound in your nose, and make it longer because it is akmal gunna. In, and then for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Nal, give the wasut on lam. Ka, 2 counts long. Fi, for kasra, give E sound, give hums. Ri, 2 counts long. Na, short. Kaf is light, make it 2 counts long. Nu, for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. La, short. Kum, for the circle ellipse attached with me, will get sifa of the wasut. Ain from your throat. Do, circle ellipse for dal. As you will touch dal with wow, here you are applying nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Do, wam, this is with gunna, so keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wam, for the circle ellipse. B, 2 counts long. Na, 2 counts long. AYAT is making it 2 counts long. وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ فَلَيْسَ عَلَيْكُمْ جُنَاحٌ أَن تَقْصُرُوا مِنَ الصَّلَاةِ إِنْ خِفْتُمْ أَن يَفْتِنَكُمُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِنَّ الْكَافِرِينَ كَانُوا لَكُمْ عَدُوًّا مُبِينًا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك.